Racing just started. We have Tito Jean. Break quickly to start. Yes. He's running by the rail. And in third comes Damong Ligaw alongside Coraggioso. The next online is Stark, while Himpapawid is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Now we have two entries running past as they can. Yes. He's running by the rail. And on the outside is Tito Jean. Coraggioso is racing in third, so with Damong Ligaw in fourth. Then comes Himpapawid, while Stork now racing in less and at the fourth turn. The lead now belongs to Tito Jean by our length and a half. Yes. Then here comes Damong Ligaw now trying to get closer in third. Coraggioso is down in fourth. Himpapawid, while Stork is still in last as they swing for home. Tito Jean by only a length. Moving up now on the outside is Damong Ligaw. And now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Damong Ligaw with a breakaway run by about 4 lengths. And finally it's Damong Ligaw. Tito Jean, Himpapawid. Then comes yes, Coraggioso, Start.
Okay, 5, 2, 3, 1 order of arrival na.